Hey, Casimir, is the universe finite or infinite? A finite universe is a fact? Who proved it? The Big Bang Theory. A mathematical singularity burst 14 billion years ago? Are you saying that all stars and galaxies sit on a surface of an expanding hollow eggshell? The universe is also unbounded? How can the universe be both finite and infinite? Okay, let's concede for the sake of argument that the debris from the primordial explosion has a 14 billion year radius from ground zero. How does that make the universe infinite? Okay, you backtrack from galaxy to galaxy. Great. Well, according to you, the galaxies are strung along the surface of the eggshell. See what? I still don't understand. Okay, you traveled around the surface of the shell, and you're back to your starting point. So far, so good. What do you mean that's it? Oh, I see. It appears to me that you're confusing infinity with incessant motion. I mean, the eggshell is finite because you're referring to its architecture. No problem there. But now you're talking about motion, about running around the surface of the eggshell. Running around is not unbounded or infinite. Motion can perhaps be said to be perpetual or incessant. What you're saying is that your universe is finite and that you can run around it incessantly. But you can say that about the Earth as well, or about any other object for that matter. Did you forget something?